The phone
Thank you
number
for
is
calling
not
Grocery Savings
reachable at
Line.
this
My name is
time.
Harry. How may I help you today?
Hi, Harry. I'd like to inquire about these savings.
I'm so sorry, sir. Could you just confirm your concern once again?
I'd like to inquire about these grocery savings.
Okay, sir. Not to worry. I'll help you for your concern with an ad-supported directory number. This is Grocery Savings Line. May I have your first and last name?
Gregory Johnson.
Sir, could you just spell it out?
It's spelled Gregory. Gregory, and then the last name Johnson is spelled John and then son.
Okay, sir. Could you just confirm your first name?
What do you mean? I said my first name is Gregory. Gregory.
Okay, it's Gregory Johnson. Am I correct?
It's spelled Gregory.
I'm so sorry, sir. It's Gregory Johnson, okay?
Correct.
Okay, sir. Just hold on to the line.
Okay.
Reach you?
Pardon me? Pardon me? Hello?
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
What did you ask me?
Sir, is this the best number to reach you? I ask you, is this the best number to reach you?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Do you have an email address? And please note that this call is being recorded for quality and training purposes, okay?
No email, sir.
Would be also receiving up to $100 in grocery coupons by just paying $4.95.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Could you just confirm with your email address?
Sorry, I don't have an email.
Sir, you can provide your friends or your family's email also. It's for your details.
Well, I don't know.
Sending you the details within 48 hours.
I don't know anyone's email off the top of my head. I don't use the email.
Okay. It's okay, sir. Okay. Since I'm not speaking to any minor over there, could you just confirm your date of birth?
I was born 1942, September the 8th.
It's September 8, 1942. Okay, sir, you sound so young and energetic.
Thank you.
How are you doing today, sir?
Oh, I'm excellent. How are you doing?
Hello? I'm doing fine, thank you, sir, for asking that. Okay, sir, for the one-time verification and authorization for the system, okay? Would you just confirm your mailing address?
Oh, yes, 4112 Lancaster Avenue.
Yes, Lancaster.
Pardon me?
Sir, it's 4112 Lancaster and then...
What do you mean? That's just my address, you know. It's 4112 Lancaster Avenue, Charleston, West Virginia.
Okay. It's West Virginia, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
And your zip code is 25304.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for the confirming your mailing address, okay? Sir, you would be receiving $100, up to $100 in your grocery coupon savings from groceryrewardprogram.com by just paying $4.95.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, for the one-time verification and authorization, sir, are you the authorized signer on your card?
On what card?
The card for the payment.
You mean my credit card?
Yes, sir. The
What about
payment
my
card
credit
which you
card?
pay from. Sir, are you there?
Yes, sir. Hello.
So you use credit card, am I correct?
Yes, sir. I have a Visa.
Okay, sir. Could you just confirm for the one-time verification and authorization? Would you just confirm the details mentioned on your card, the numbers?
You said I have to explain what?
Sir, I'm telling that you have to confirm the numbers mentioned on your card, sir.
Okay, how do I do that?
Sir, just spell the numbers mentioned on your card, sir.
Oh, you want me to spell them out or you want me to read them?
You spell them, sir. The numbers mentioned on your card.
Well, I guess I could spell them out. That would take a little longer than reading them, though.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Just go ahead.
FOURSEVENTHREE SIXNINEONE. Would you like me to keep going?
I'm so sorry, sir. I'm asking the card number, sir.
Yes,
The card number, the credit card number. No, sir. Just confirm the numbers. The numbers mentioned on your card, sir.
How do I do this? Can you explain it, please? I thought I was doing
So
it
just
right
take the
before.
card in your... I'm so sorry, sir, for your concern, but I'm asking you just take the card in your hand and just spell the numbers mentioned on it. Just confirm the numbers mentioned on it, sir.
Oh, you want me to read them out to you? You realize...
Yes, sir.
Yes, 473691719537311.
Okay, sir, I'll just confirm. Please check, okay?
Okay, sir, how do you confirm?
I'm confirming by reading them out, okay?
Okay.
It's 473691795373311. Am I correct? Or you should...
Incorrect. You've got it wrong.
Okay,
there,
sir.
buddy.
Could you okay. You just confirm it again, okay?
Okay, it's 47369171193. After the 93, it's 537311.
Okay, the last four digits are 7311. Am I correct?
Correct.
Okay. So it's a Visa card. Am I correct?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, sir. Could you just confirm the expiration date mentioned on your card?
You said the what?
Expiration date on your
What's an
card.
expiration?
The expiry date, sir.
Oh.
Expiry date. Expiration date.
Expiration
Yes,
date,
sir. Could you just Yes, yes.
Yes, let me look. Is that on the back here, or is it on the front?
Sir, could you just confirm the numbers?
0523.
I'm so sorry, sir. Could you just repeat?
What?
Sir, could you just repeat? It was not audible to me.
05. Wait, what? What are you asking for again?
So the number, the expiry date, expiration date, sir.
Oh,
It's 0.
0523.
So it's 0523. Am I correct?
Correct.
Okay, sir. Just turn your card and see the CVV number behind your card.
The what? You said you're asking for banana, or what are you asking for?
Sir, the CVV code, the
What's this
3
about a
digits
banana?
code
I'm
mentioned
really
on your card.
confused.
No, sir. It's the CVV number behind your
Oh.
card.
Not a banana, it's your wife's fat pussy. Ew, stinky. What's wrong with you, stupid idiot? Go fuck yourself, Chutia. Chutan. Buckland. Say something for the camera. Even my bird is laughing at you, bro. That is pretty embarrassing. I'm waiting for you either to hang up or you're going to say something, okay? I am waiting.